In a media release, the association says PLAN combatants will never work together with those who fought against them during the days of the national liberation struggle. While acknowledging the policy of national reconciliation, the former PLAN combatants say they will not embrace the atrocious crimes committed against the Namibian people by the then-apartheid South African government and its forces. The association further says its members voluntarily offered their services to fight for freedom and national independence without receiving any salaries, and they will therefore not join forces with the former SWATF Koevoet members who are today demanding money. It says it does not know what monies the former SWATF Koevoet members are demanding and where such monies are going to come from.